Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Microsoft To Do for fast task capture. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download Microsoft To Do for fast task capture, begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type Microsoft To Do and press enter. Look for the official Microsoft website in the search results. Click on the link that leads to Microsoft To Do. Once on the Microsoft To Do page, locate the Download for Windows button. Click on the button to initiate the download. Your browser will begin downloading the Microsoft To Do installer. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Find the Microsoft To Do installer file, usually named todosetup.exe. Double-click the installer file to start the installation process. A security prompt may appear. Click Yes to allow the installation to proceed. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Once the installation is finished, you will find Microsoft To Do in your Start menu. Click on the Start menu and type Microsoft To Do to search for the app. Select Microsoft To Do from the search results to open the application. Sign in with your Microsoft account to access your tasks. Now you can start capturing tasks quickly and efficiently. Enjoy organizing your tasks with Microsoft To Do. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.